Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to edit a finding for academic programs. Before we get started, please be advised that after submitting your assessment report, editing the findings is not recommended. However, mistakes happen, and the Institutional Assessment Office or the University Assessment Committee may suggest modifications if they identify any errors or areas for improvement during their review. In such cases, our office will reach out directly to the assessment coordinator. Now, to edit a finding, make sure you have selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu on the SPOL homepage. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, select the PLO associated with the measure for which you want to edit a finding. For this example, we will edit a finding for one of the measures associated with PLO 3. You will then be redirected to the Program Learning Outcome Details page. Click the Measure tab. From the list of measures, select the measure you want to edit a finding by clicking either the measure's lane or its corresponding blue arrow. The criteria window pane will then appear along with the criteria of the selected measure. Now, click on either the criteria lane or its corresponding blue arrow. The findings window pane will then appear along with the finding entries associated to the selected measure. Now, select the finding entry that you want to edit. You will then be redirected to the Finding Details page. Click within the Course section heading. The Edit Finding dialog box will appear, allowing you to make edits. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!